Are you still using Photoshop for creating websites and app mockups? Then my friend, don't worry. Today in this video I will going to show you top 5 Figma plugins that can help you to create stunning mockups and you can showcase your work like a pro. And the fifth one is my personal favorite, so watch the video till the end. Before starting in the video, I'm your friend Jaspreet and you are watching Jaspreet.Design, so let's get started. The first mockup is all hand mockup. Just go to resource panel and click on the plugins, then you can search all hand mockup. In this you will get the iPhone X device and a lot of options that people are holding mobile phone with their hand. You can choose anyone you want. For example, I want this, and you can select your frame from here. For example, I want this frame and it will take some time. Okay, so this is the mockup this plugin has generated and it's really super fast and easy to use. Our second mockup is Clay Mockups 3D. You can check its detailed view. In this mockup we will get these device options. This is the iPhone 11, we have Pixel 4, we have iPad, MacBook, browser. You have to just select the screen and it will automatically render the mockup. And you can adjust the angle according to yourself, and it has also some preset. You can use this, or you can also change the device color. And our third mockup is a little bit mockup. If you want to generate mockup for your mobile phone screen instantly, you can use this. For example, I want mockup for the screen. I will just select my screen and search a little bit mockup. Then it will give you option. You want the mockup in light frame or in dark. I want this in light, so it will generate it super fast. I want for the screen also, and it's responsive. It can generate according to this mockup according to the screen size. And our fourth plugin is Mockup by Rodion. You just need to search mockup and you can see this is the free. It has free plus paid options. It is not just for website and apps, and you can use it for a lot of things. Let me show you. These are the mockups which are freely available for right now. These are the free options, but you will get a lot of creative option. You can find all the mockups from here, but if you want to use it for free, you can check out the mockup list from here. So these all are the options which is available. You can use for phone, watch, different kind of watch design. It has different kind of phone. It has nothing phone too. It has a lot of options. So you will get a lot of options in free one. Let me show you this one. You just need to select the frame. It will automatically load the frame, and after continuing, it will add my design in this mockup. Let me paste it in my canvas. So yeah, it is very easy to use. If you want to use more amazing mockups, you can purchase their pro plan. And now the fifth one, my most favorite. I use this mockup a lot. This is the Artboard Studio mockup. It is also available in free plus paid version. You can check the all items from here. Let me show you the free ones. You will get a lot of options for MacBook and iPhone, and I personally use this. For example, I want this mockup. I will just add this, and what I have to do, I have to add my design in this frame and make it size according to the frame. Then I can just hold this frame and render this selected frame, and it will render in the mockup. As you can see, this is the mockup is created. That's all from my side. If you're going to use this plugin, then drop the comment and like the video, and don't forget to share it with your designer friends. Thank you.